Hello and welcome back to the San Nicolò Luxury Real Estate. My name's Lara and I'm going to be showing you this beautiful, finely renovated two-bedroom property right on the square, the historical medieval square of Piazza Santa Croce. Please come in. So I'm standing now in one of the living rooms of this property, and as you can see at my shoulders we have the Basilica, the Franciscan church, the Basilica of Santa Croce. Next door we have the Pazzi Chapel, and I have an incredible view too of the Duomo. So from these three large windows on this side we give on to the square, which is extremely rare and sought after. So let me show you round. So I find myself now in the living room and dining room. It has been extremely well renovated, the whole apartment. So we have smart systems, so we have keypad door entry, we have automatic Wi-Fi for the heating, underfloor heating, and the owner, in doing the renovation, thought of it for the rental market. So it is actually divided into two studio apartments currently. It could be used by a family that they want their more privacy, or you keep one for yourselves and the other one is rented out. It is there is multiple possibilities here. So we have a hidden kitchen behind me here. And what I love about the apartment is also the feel, the warm, harmonious, peaceful feel, in part the way it has been renovated. As you can see, these aquamarine tones have a very warm feel to them. They're obviously in harmony with these beautiful frescoes which go back to the Renaissance times. They were again renovated recently. And as we will see, we have floral scenes, musical instruments, and in the bedroom we have a country scene. Let me show you the bedroom. We have this beautiful country scene on the wall, and this was because the noble families at the time, they were in the city centre, but they wanted to be reminded of the countryside. And so here we have a bird on the sea, birds on the ceiling, and the hills in the distance. Let me show you the bathroom now. Both bathrooms have floating toilets, beautiful marble floors, and large showers. Let me now take you through to the other studio apartment. Please come with me. So here to my right, we have the second bathroom, again with floating toilet and bidet and basin, and a beautiful large shower again. And then I come into this large room with beautiful frescoes, ceilings again, good sized bed, and the kitchenette directly in this area. But the jewel of this area has to be the terrace. So I am in Piazza Santa Croce with the cathedral and Santa Croce on that side of the apartment, and here we have a delightful terrace, large enough for us to have a glass of wine, a coffee, lunch, and a nice seating area to enjoy the company in the evening. So I hope you have enjoyed the tour today of this beautiful 2-bedroom property located right on the square of Piazza Santa Croce, with the Basilica of Santa Croce and the Duomo views from these 3 windows on the square. It has a large terrace. It is perfectly and well inserted into the tourist rentals, should you wish to purchase for an investment. Otherwise, it would be a lovely family home with plenty of privacy, given its separate entrances, 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. For any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. San Nicolò Luxury Real Estate. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.